In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team members section in Wix 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional section that highlights your team with photos, names, and roles, all built with Wix Studio's built-in tools. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your site's dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to launch the visual editor. This takes you into the workspace where you can add, arrange, and style everything on your pages. On the left side of the editor, open the Add Elements panel. Instead of dropping individual items one by one, we're going to add a ready-made block, so choose Sections. Sections are full-width, structured building blocks that make layout and spacing easier to manage across your site. Within Sections, select Team. This opens a gallery of professionally designed team layouts. Browse through the options and choose the one that fits your brand and the number of people you want to feature. Think about how your content will scale. A simple grid works well for small teams, while a more modular layout can grow with you if you plan to add more profiles later. Once the section is placed on your page, it's fully editable. Click the section to access its controls and adjust the layout, spacing, and design so it blends with your site's look. Match your fonts, colors, and button styles to keep everything consistent. If your template includes hover effects or social icons, you can keep them or simplify the design for a cleaner feel. Next, update the images for each team member. Click a photo placeholder, choose Replace Image, and upload your headshot. For the best results, use clear, well-lit images with similar aspect ratios so the grid looks balanced. Keeping all photos cropped consistently, often square for cards, helps the section feel polished and intentional. Now edit the text to add each person's name, click the name field, and type it in, keeping capitalization and formatting consistent across all profiles. Then, update the role or job title beneath the name. Keep titles short and descriptive so visitors can quickly understand what each person does. At this point, you've created a complete team section. You opened the editor, added a team section from the section's library, chose a layout, and customized the images, names, and roles. Take a moment to fine-tune spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced on the page. And that's it. Your team is now presented in a professional, easy-to-maintain section inside Wix Studio.